Hey you guys, so I'm just driving back to my old place to clean the old place, turn in the keys, get my deposit, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some stuff. I'm probably not gonna vlog the cleaning process just because it's really long and boring and tedious and repetitive, so I'll probably just show you guys like a little clip of the after of when everything is cleaned, but I'm gonna head over there right now. There's been so much driving this week going back and forth, but I'm so happy to finally be done with the old place, never have to go back, never have to go to that area again. I mean, of course, I'll still be going to that area here and there because my friends might want to meet up or something around that area, but for the most part, I would prefer not to be in that area. It's not like super far away from me, but it's far enough, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just gonna head over there and drive and listen to some music, but I'll show you guys when everything is cleaned. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, so I cleaned everything. I cleaned the room, I cleaned the shed, I cleaned the kitchen, I cleaned the bathroom, and I did the best I could to my best ability because this place is beyond my cleaning abilities. And if anything, I feel like I left it cleaner than when I came here in the first place. So yeah, I'm about to head back because I'm dying. It's so hot and I'm finally done. Peace forever. Goodbye. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you guys. It's pretty much just an empty room, but everything is cleaned. I literally sweeped twice and mopped the entire floors. I wiped down the corners and everything. I tried to wipe down the walls, but this was the condition that it was already in when I came. And yeah, it smells like cleaning supplies in here. But yeah, it's really, really tiny. I don't know if I can... Oh, this is all the stuff that I'm bringing home. It's my shit. But I'm standing in the corner right now, and this is how small it is. But it's clean. I also cleaned the bathroom as best as I could. This was the little corner I had, and this was the size of the bathroom. I had to share this with two people, so it was 3 people sharing this bathroom, plus me, so yeah. But yeah, this is what it looked like, my old place. Alright you guys, let's take a look at the shed. This is where I used to store all my stuff for my business and all the stuff I couldn't fit in my tiny room. But yeah, this lamp here is not mine, so I'm gonna leave it here. But yeah, I swept twice in here too, and I mopped and I wiped down everything that I could. But yeah, I'm done. I'm so done, you guys. But this is the size of the shed, so there's that. We're checking on the people in the house right now. See if everything's okay. I'm just recording because I don't know if something's gonna happen. Okay, so let me explain the situation as quick as I can. So pretty much I got to my old place to clean and everything. I noticed that this house across the street was playing really loud music. At first I thought it was normal because I was like, hey, maybe they're just jamming out. But then I noticed 3 hours later they're still doing it. The windows are all open. It doesn't look like anybody's home. There's no cars. There's no people. At least that's what it seems like. So I'm like, okay, is this a call for help? Is someone in trouble? Is there somebody in there that needs help? Like, is this a cry for attention? I don't know, you know what I mean? So I was like, okay, like we should just go check, because I would rather check and have it be a situation where, oh, nothing's happening, than to not check at all and then someone's actually in trouble. I just think that happens a lot where we kind of question it and we're like, oh no, something seems off, but we don't check because we're scared, and then someone ends up getting hurt. So we checked, the guy said everything was fine. I still thought it was kind of weird because I don't know, it was just giving me an uneasy feeling, and it seems like maybe all the other neighbors maybe felt the same way, and my old roommate also felt uneasy about it, so yeah. Can you guys believe that I lived in this tiny room for so long? Literally, this room is the size of my bathroom now, and like I said, only better things, bigger things, better things are coming. I'm so excited for the future, and yeah, I love my new place, but like I said, we're always shooting for more, right? So that's why you guys should like, comment, subscribe, so then you guys can come along with me on my journey to bigger, better things. So excuse the mess because obviously my stuff is everywhere from unpacking, but I just got my desk And can someone tell me why the fuck there are so many fucking pieces to this desk? Like, this is chaotic as fuck. Look at how many pieces there are. There's just so many fucking pieces. How the fuck am I supposed to put this together? I don't know, we'll try, but... Also, this desk weighed about 120 pounds, so I carried a whole ass person up the stairs, bro. That shit was heavy as fuck. It's also telling me I need a hammer and this little, I don't know what the fuck that pointy one is, but I obviously don't have any of that. I literally have a screwdriver, so yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but now it's all out on my floor, so it's stressing me out, so I'm just gonna try my best. Hey you guys, I know that the camera might be a little lopsided, but I'm just gonna say this really quick. So the next portion of the video is going to be kind of emotional. So pretty much my mom called me and it triggered an emotional reaction for me because I don't usually talk to my mom about relationship stuff, especially if it was traumatic for me. And so I feel like, I don't know if it's like this for a lot of you guys, but no matter what your history is with a certain family member or a mom, a family figure, when you talk to that person, it just brings out like this emotional side of you. And so that's what happened. So I almost didn't include this footage because some other things happened this week that really triggered me. I'm not gonna say what happened because I'm just not gonna be petty, because at this point I just want to move on with my life and be left alone and not deal with this anymore. Like, I don't want to cry over it, I don't want to hear about it, I don't want anything to do with this person. So let's just say some things happened and I heard about it through some people, and some other things happened directly with this person as well, and so I was kind of just like over it. And the next footage that you're gonna see was actually filmed before all this stuff that I'm talking about happened. And so I feel like when all that stuff happened after I had filmed this already, it kind of just put me on a whole new energy where I was like, okay, dude, that just, like, everything that this person just did after the fact, like, really just confirmed to me that why should I even shed another tear or cry another tear for this person? Like, they don't deserve anything like that. And also, like, if this person is watching this, I really hope you unsubscribe to my channel because I just want to be left alone. So please just leave me and the people in my life alone. And I just don't want to hear anything that has to do with this person. Like, I don't care. You know, at this point I'm just like, okay, like, just go bother someone else, go ruin someone else's life, just leave me and the people in my life alone. That's the kind of mindset that it kind of clicked me into, because yeah, when I was talking to my mom, I was kind of like sad about it because, you know, I was thinking about it all over again. But then this person continued to like do shitty stuff, which just made me also think like, you know what, like, fuck this. Like, I made it after that happened, like after the events from this week happened, it kind of just made me like say to myself, like, you know what, like, fuck everything that happened, like, fuck this person, fuck everything they're doing, even after the fact, after the relationship is already over. Like, I'm not going to cry like ever again for this person, like, ever. And I made that promise to myself, so you guys won't be seeing any more crying, at least from this particular situation or this particular person, because I made the decision that, hey, this is the last time I'm going to cry about it, this is the last time I'm going to think about it, this is the last time, period. But yeah, so I still included the footage because I was like, you know what, it happened and it's fine, it's whatever. Like, I'm just going to include it and then be done with it afterwards, like forever. And I included the footage mostly because my mom had some really good advice, so if you guys want to hear what she says, you guys can definitely, you know, stay and watch that and listen to it. If you guys don't want to hear what my mom says, then you guys can skip it, and I'll have a time where you can skip to on screen somewhere. And so yeah, just prepare yourself for the next portion of the video. I just realized that if you guys are new subscribers or new people who are watching my videos and you guys have never seen me before, hi, I'm Navi. The next part might be a little confusing. So the next footage is based off of what happened to me. So I was in a traumatic relationship a toxic relationship. I got out of it. I filmed a 3-hour video on my toxic relationship. It's on my channel, whatever. So if you guys are confused, then you guys can go watch that and then it will make more sense. For anyone who's already known all that stuff, then you guys will kind of understand the next portion of the video. If you guys don't understand, then like I said, it's on my channel, you guys can watch it. I'm so tired of saying that. I'm done promoting that fucking video because, like I said, I just want to be over it and I just want to literally move on with my life and not have to deal with this situation or this person ever again. So this should go okay, Mom.
Yeah, you really think so, because, and remember, it really hurts. It really, really, really hurts when you really love someone and you really care for someone and just everything just kind of like tear apart and, you know, really hurts. And you suffer and, you know, it affects you mentally and physically, and it kills some of your brain cells, you know, you don't remember stuff and things like that.
Good, did you my brain cells left that?
You know, but sometimes when you really care and really love someone, and you want it to work, and you use all your effort, and it doesn't work, then you will satisfied that you did all your best.
Yeah.
And it didn't work.
Gucci sa date, Gucci sa mo itu channel, Gucci sa happy by myself, so you know.
So strong, ambitious, self-motivated, and you what do you learn money? Yeah, you want to your situation where you stay home yourself. It's all a lie.
It is what it is. Yeah. It is what it is.
If you know, want to come back to Wisconsin, come back.
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Nhớ tụi con sẽ có một cái chỗ không như con nhẹ là sẽ có một phần thế tự ý mà chỉ là sẽ đi lấy cái tốt tá con như là.
Yeah, but it's willing to that she can look at the king, so. But that's enough. That's enough for now, you know. I'll be fine. Yeah, don't worry about me. You know I'll be fine, you know that. I'll get through it. I always do, so it's fine.
Well, do. Yeah. Take it easy and don't be too harsh on yourself and acknowledge the situation and let it go.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, don't deny it, because when you're hurt, then I'm hurt.
I'm just letting myself feel what I feel, because like you said, I have to get it out, you know. I know that that's the healthiest way. As long as I'm not hurting anybody or myself, I think it's okay for me to just let it out. I think that's the only way. If you, like you said, if you deny it or if you just hold it in, it's just you're not going to heal from it, so.
God created all humans to have tears, okay? Some people just cry first and others will cry later.
Yeah.
God did not create a single person without tears.
Yeah, it's true.
So, yeah, everybody, God created every human being with tears. And like I said, you know, some just cry early and some will cry later.
Going itu big crybaby.
And you know what? It's okay to cry.
Yeah, I know.
When we are hurt, we cry. You know? It doesn't mean that when we cry, we stop there. You know? So, and it's good to cry.
I mean, yeah, I'm not perfect, but going like that, in the end, you know, because going try everything I could, and going like that, it's not that go lack anything now. It's more about need the king now, you know, and
right.
Yeah, it's not about me, you know what I mean.
That's
And
good.
so I already know that.
Right, that's good. Because when someone betray you, because their heart is not with, their heart is not in there anymore.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't take the betrayal too hard because their heart is not in the right place. Their heart, when they betray you, that means that their heart isn't in the right place anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's more of them than you. You know, you might hurt, you might feel the hurt and they hurt you, but you understand that the reason they betray you is because their heart is already moved on, not with you anymore.
Yeah.
And that's
So yeah, I was feeling kind of blah after that phone call. So I decided, hey, you know what? It's about your mindset, and I'm not going to let it ruin my life or my week. So I decided to get all cute and go to my favorite place, In-N-Out, with a friend. In-N-Out always makes everything better. It's my favorite place to go of all times, and the banana peppers are fire. And I also went to the gym. I didn't film me actually at the gym, but this was the outfit I wore to the gym. And I also filmed me going to the grocery store finally, because I never go to the grocery store in person. But I ended up going in person, and I also got my desk assembled. Yay! I finally have a desk to sit in. I'm so happy about it, and it finally is not stressing me out laying on the floor anymore, so there's that. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. I know it was kind of choppy, but a lot of different things happened this week. But that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!